Well, what normal lesson does the author convey? என்ன lesson? Greed and ill-gotten wealth led to fear and mystery. Okay, correct. What food did the woman on platform eat buy for Arun? என்ன வாங்கி கொடுத்தாங்க? Samosa jalabis. The poet Cecil hero is a tribute to which parent? யாருக்கு? அப்பாவுக்கு. Who is the author of the woman on platform night? யாரா? மறந்துட்டேனே. யாரு? ரஸ்கின் பாண்டா. ஆமாம். What did the birds think of humans in the most well? என்ன நினைக்குது பேர்ட்ஸ்? செல்ஃப் சென்டர்டு ரொம்பலாம் அப்படி நினைக்குது. The tone of the poem special hero can best be described as என்னது? Appreciative and tender. In the woman on platform 8, why was Arun traveling alone? ஏன் ட்ராவல் பண்ணுறாரு alone? ஏன் படிக்க போகிறான். Missed the bus. His parents are busy. What is the cinema glimming? Glimmingனா என்னது? Gleaming என்னவா இருக்கும்? என்னவா இருக்கும்? Gleam சைனிங்காக இருக்குமா? கரெக்ட். Why did the male sparrow drop the diamond stud? ஏன் கீழே போட்டுச்சு? ஏன்னா அவங்க ஒய்ஃப் திட்டினாங்க, மேல் ஸ்பேரோட ஒய்ஃப், அதனால். The word solace in the poem special hero means அப்படின்னு வருதா? சொலாஸ்னா என்னது? தெரியவில்லையே. சொலாஸ் கம்ஃபர்ட்டா? சொலாஸ் ரெஃபர் டு த கம்ஃபர்ட் ஆர் கன்சோலேஷன். ஓகே. Which station is the setting for Ruskin Ball story? Ambala railway station. Ambala. What was the name of the servant girl in Nosewell? யார்? அவங்க பேர் குப்பாயி. Who wrote the poem Special Hero? யார் எழுதுனா? கிறிஸ்டினா எம் கர்ச்சன். In the woman on platform 8, why did Arun hold the woman's hand? Yeah, comfort and protection. What did Meenakshi Ammal husband do when the jewel was lost? He bought a என்ன பண்ணாங்க? He beat the servant. He informed the police. He informed the police. In the poem, what is planned for the poet? என்ன வந்து பிளான் பண்ணாங்க? What is in the poem? What is planned for the poet? The love between her and her father. What train was Arun waiting for? என்னன்னு தெரியலையே. சதப்தி. Dune Express. சதப்தியில் Dune Express. The train arriving at midnight was the Dune Express. அது படிச்சு ஞாபகம் இல்லையே. Identify the figure of speech like a special hero. என்ன ஸ்பெஷல் figure of speech? என்ன ஸ்பெஷல் ஹீரோ? மெட்டஃபரா? Simile. The use of the word like to compare the father to a hero. Okay. Simile. What did the birds eventually do with the diamond stud? They used to decorate their nest in Ramya house. In the story, why did the woman on platform 8 look pale? Yeah. It was a description of a soft and gentle face. The diamond stud was described as being worth எவ்வளோ worth? Great deal of money. The poet felt as when her father held her as a baby, safe and loved. Who was the imposing woman in the story? யார் imposing? சதீஷ் முதல் தான். The male sparrow found the jewel in எங்கே கிடையாது? கீவில். What is the synonym of kindness? Kindness ஓடைய antonym. Cruelty. What is the name of Ramaya's neighbor? Meenakshi Ammal. Arun felt that the stranger woman was his mother because she understood his feeling and treated him with love. அதான் வேறு ஆப்ஷனே போக வேண்டாம். Who was the magistrate mentioned in the Nosewell? யார் மென்ஷன் இந்த யார்? magistrate, village headman. Oh, Meenakshi Ammal husband the magistrate. He was official who reported the theft to the police. The poet says, I am glad that you are my dad, to express her thankfulness. What time did the train arrive in the woman on platform? Midnight. Why did the police search Kupai's house? Yeah. She was a servant and therefore a likely suspect. Why did the police search Kupai's house? In the poem, what did the poet do as a baby? She learned to write poems. She ran away. She looked up into father eyes. Father eyes. What did Sadi's mother give the boys at the station? என்ன கொடுத்தாங்க? Cricket bat. Rama's wife spent the rest of her life in fear of being caught. The phrase "sent from above" refers to being sent from refers to being. How did Arun show his dislike for Sati's mother? Sati's mother. He refused to speak to Sati. He contracted her and defended the stranger. Okay, Ama. The sparrows in the nose jewel represent the main villains of the story. Domestic pets, human greed. The sparrow in the nose represent main human greed. The voice of nature observing human greed. The voice of nature observing human folly. They provide a commentary on how silly humans are treated value students. Okay. Question எல்லாம் படிக்கல. The word imposing describes someone who is யாரு grand or impressive in appearance. Okay. What did the poet father do to keep her safe? என்ன பண்ணாங்க here in his arms? In the woman on platform 8, what did the woman do when the train arrived? என்ன பண்ணா? She kissed her. ஆமாம். Identify the author of Nose Jewel. யார் author? Nose Jewel ராஜா கோபாலாச்சாரி. What is the opposite of serenity? Opposite serenity. Serenity என்னவா இருக்கும்? Peace, quiet, wisdom. மூணு ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்குது. Agitation, chaos. இது serenity is calm. Serenity அமைதி. ஸோ அப்போ வந்து chaos தான் வந்து opposite. சரி. The poem special hero uses simple language to emphasize the purity of child love. Why did Arun says I like stranger to Sati's mother? He was defending the woman who was kind to him. Ramesh wife found the jewel while Inga contributed sweeping the floor. What does the special hero keep the poet safe from? The special hero keep the poet safe from harm. The theme of the woman on platform 8 is about how can be used in unexpected places. Woman on platform is about how dash can be used in kindness and human bonding.